Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Excel by Raghav. In this channel you will find all Excel related videos right from basics to advanced level, which includes various formulas, functions and of course automation codings, which gives you a step-by-step direction and is helpful in writing VBA macros as per your requirement. Keeping in view of your precious time, I am trying my best to keep the video length shorter with in details of every topic so as to give you more understanding. Every day new videos will be uploaded, so keep watching for more and more videos and make yourself an Excel wizard. I see many viewers have not subscribed the channel, hence I request you to kindly subscribe, like and promote the channel, and finally leave your valuable comments which will be answered sooner.
Hi friends, in this video we will see how to remove extra space, how to create new worksheet, delete worksheet and deleting and inserting rows and columns. First let's see how to remove extra space. Here in this cell I have typed formulae. How to know whether we have extra space or not? So first is just press the F2 key and you can see the cursor is blinking. That is exactly after completing the alphabet. So the cursor is blinking. So it indicates that there are no extra spaces. Now in test 1, if it is not blinking exactly after the text, that is here in this case it's test 1, it should blink exactly after number 1. Let's see whether this has extra space or not. Now it is blinking somewhere after this space. In test 2, again the same, it's blinking after this space. Again in test 3 the same. So let's see how to remove and what is the formula. The formula I have given here is formula, and the formula is nothing but trim and give the cell value is equals to trim, then select the cell, just close the brace, then copy the entire data by using Ctrl C, and with the help of Ctrl and left arrow, and again with the help of Ctrl and down arrow, you will come to the down, and with the help of Shift, Ctrl and up arrow and one step down, just press enter so that your entire data gets copied. So now I have to kill the formulas, or in other words remove the formulas. So how we can see whether the formulas are applied or not? This is called the formula bar. Wherever you are seeing in the whatever you are seeing in the formula bar with the symbol is equals to or the function, then you can say it as a formula. So just control your entire data, copy your entire data, then Ctrl C, then for do the paste special. For paste special, the shortcut key is Alt E S and V. Here you can see V for values. Just select that and click OK. So once for all the formulas are removed. Now if you press F2 key, you can check there are whatever the extra spaces are there are removed. See here in our original data we have spaces, but when we have trimmed the data, all the extra spaces have been gone. Now let's move on to the another work, that is creating new worksheet. How we can create the new worksheet? We can create in two ways. One, by clicking on the plus symbol, which generally happens, but when we are getting in a professional way, we'll just use the keyboard. So using the keyboard makes you more proficient and also makes you get self-confident and makes you get a grip on Excel. So please try to use the keyboard as much as possible. Now here I have sheet 1, 2 and 3. If I press Alt I and W, automatically a fourth sheet is getting created. Likewise, you can create a number of sheets by the shortcut key Alt I and W. Now, how to delete the worksheet? You can use the shortcut key Alt E and L simultaneously, or else by placing the another method, by placing on the sheet you can delete, but I don't want to use my mouse and delete, so I will use Alt E and L. That's it. The worksheet that got created has been deleted. Now moving on to the sheet 3, deleting and inserting rows and columns. As my machine is a Dell machine with latest version, I have some different keys. Here you can see for inserting I have something different, and for inserting columns I have something different keys. But for all except for the Dell version, for all other companies we have the same formula or the same shortcut key. So let's first see how we can delete or insert a row. That is basically with control and minus. When we do control and minus, it asks whether you want to delete by moving the cells at left or the cells at up or the entire row or the entire column. So here in this case I'm not selecting anything. Just I'm showing the example what happens when we just press the control and minus. So now moving on further with the help of shortcut key, that is shift key with spacebar and control with minus. Here I'm just typing test. Test. So now I would like to delete this entire row. So what I'll do, first I'll press the shift key and spacebar, then I'll press simultaneously the control and minus. My entire row got deleted. Now if I want to insert a row, here as I shown for Dell machines, it is Alt H I R. So I will press the entire selection, then I'll press Alt H I R. See, obviously my new row got inserted. For other than Dell machines, here again I will say test, then I will go and press Alt IR for other than Dell machines. Since this is a Dell machine, it is not accepting Alt I and R for creating or inserting a row. So please try with your machines. Now for deleting the entire column, for inserting a row we have used Alt, and for selecting a column or deleting the column we have to use the control key. Here I am showing how we can select the entire column, that is use of control and spacebar, then use the control minus, so that your entire column gets deleted. Likewise, for inserting a column, example say here I would like to insert a column in column G. Now if you see, the data gets from G to H. That means I'm inserting a new cell, sorry, new column. So again I will press Alt key along with HIC so that you can see the column got inserted. If yours is a non-Dell machine, please try Alt I and C. Other than Dell machines, please try Alt and C. Also friends, many of the viewers have asked me what happens or how to add. Here we have only 1, 2, 3. How to get zeros in between, in before the numbers. Example 0, 0, 0. But here I am getting only 1 0. I can do 1 concatenate, and likewise I can do. But here if I want to get multiple zeros, say like more than 1 0, but it is not giving me the option. So what I'll do, I will select my entire data, then I will go again format cells. Here I'll select the custom. Now immediately after the general we see 1 0, where if you select 1 0, here on the type you'll see zeros. So there you press how many zeros you want. Here as and when you're pressing the zeros, here the zeros are getting added. Likewise, as I said, I want 3 zeros. So I will just click OK. Now even if you try to remove the zeros, it will not go. I'm trying to press here only 2 and then pressing enter. It will not go. So this is something I made custom. Thank you friends for watching the video. Hope you like the video.